Good afternoon, everyone. We will start in just a few minutes. You haven't already grabbed the ingredients we need today. We do need vegetable oil, water, food coloring, a glass or a plastic bottle. Either one is fine. And then also Alka-Seltzer or Effordent tablets. So here is our experiment today. This one is just getting started. So it is a DIY lava lamp. As you can see, all the purple is coming up. We'll get started in just a minute. Let a few more friends join us this morning. All right, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the Facebook Live here at Hunt Club Farm. Today's experiment, like I just showed you, is our DIY lava lamp. So we'll be making that in just a minute. I did want to go over a few announcements this morning for everyone. We will be live on Coast Live this Friday at 10 a.m. talking about our summer camp program. So be sure to tune in to Channel 3 this Friday, and it will air at 10 a.m. and we'll be live on the farm, videoing to the studio. Also, our summer camp registration is still underway. Although the early registration discount did end yesterday, we are still taking applications. Our virtual market is up and running, so go ahead and check that out. Go to our website, www.huntclubfarm.com. Click on the Buy Tickets button, and that will take you to the virtual market. You can find everything from shirts to sweatshirts, jams, jellies, watermelon pickled rinds. You can find a lot of stuff there that you would normally find in our market. Also, stay tuned tonight for Bedtime Stories with Conrad. That will be live at 8 p.m. And then also for the rest of the experiments this week, the ingredients will be posted the evening before, so be sure to tune into that. All right, let's go ahead and get started on our DIY lava lamp. So let's grab that plastic or glass bottle that you do have, and we're gonna start it. So I do have a glass mason jar. I actually use these for the rubber egg experiments. And we're gonna fill this about a third of the way up with water. So just divide your glass or bottle into 3 and fill 1/3 of it with water. Hey Judy, thanks for joining. All right, so now that we do have the water in, we can start being creative. So in this one, I did do purple. And what colors do you have to mix to get purple? Blue and red. So I did 2 drops of blue and 2 drops of red. So let's see. Let's see if I can create pink. So I'm gonna do a drop of yellow and 1 drop of red. So essentially this is creating the color for our lava lamp. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do 1 drop of red. And then if you have a spoon, that might be just a little easier. I don't, so I am gonna mix it around just a little. All right, let me add 1 more drop of yellow. Let's see. So it gave me a little orange, but that's okay. It's a nice color red. Hey Kathy, hey Anna, hey Tanner, thanks for joining. All right, so once we filled it up a third of the way with the water, we're gonna go ahead and add the vegetable oil. And this is what's gonna give us that cool liquid look, because the vegetable oil and the water separate. They never mix due to the density in them. So just like the experiment yesterday, we were able to add different layers of different densities. So now we're gonna fill this 2/3 of the way up with vegetable oil. So just go ahead and add it to about the top. And as you can see, they are already separated. Hey, Paul. All right, and now for the fun part. Let's grab those Alka-Seltzer tabs. Since the water and oil are separated because of the densities, one has more density than the other, so they are separated. The water is at the bottom with our food coloring, and then at the top is all the vegetable oil. So what these Alka-Seltzer or the Effordent tabs, whatever fizzing type of tab that you do have, it's gonna be dropped and it goes in through the oil to the water, and then it's gonna create those fizzing bubbles. And those are gonna be coming up out of the water through the oil. Now the tabs don't stay in the oil because they are gonna sink to the water. And I found it works best to get the best reaction if you do go ahead and put 2 of them in. Split it into maybe 4 to 5 bigger pieces, just depending on what type of tablets you have. Mine are just a little older, but they still work. I actually used them when I had a retainer. So now just give it a minute. And then your bubbles will start to form. And there is your DIY lava lamp. So the cool thing about this is, depending on the tablet on the top of your jar right here, you will create a little foam. You can wipe that off. That is totally fine. It will go away. But this is something you can keep on your counter for the next couple of weeks, and it should still be good. And then just buy a box next time you are at the store of Alka-Seltzer tablets, and the kids can have fun for a very long time with this. Do not put a lid on this one while the tablets are going, because of all the pressure that will build up, just like the rubber egg experiment. So if you guys are making this at home, go ahead and make sure to take a photo and put it in the comments, and we will be giving shout outs throughout the week. Thank you so much for joining us for our 11 a.m. experiment today. Again, my name is Conrad, and Monday through Friday we do have 11 a.m. experiments or learning about the animals on the farm, all educational and fun. Go ahead and tune in tonight at 8 p.m. for Bedtime Stories with Conrad. I hope everyone has a great day. It is a beautiful day out there. Remember to stay distant from everyone, and we will see you tonight at 8 p.m.